everyone, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Avril and in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I went about organizing my laundry room to be functional with lots of storage with a minimalistic touch. So stick around to see how I went about organizing my laundry room. But before we do so, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that bell to be notified every time I upload a video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So guys, before I went ahead and started on my laundry organization, I thought this would be the perfect time to clean up my laundry and put away stuff I don't use anymore. Once I was done cleaning and tidying up my laundry room, next is time to start organizing this space. So guys, the first thing I did was go ahead and get some garment racks to help me with my laundry storage solution. These racks are a perfect way to utilize your small space to add more storage. So as you can see, my laundry space is small and narrow, so I got two of these garment racks from Target to help me with my storage problem. You could get these from any store or use whatever you already got in hand. Next, as for the manual, I went ahead and assembled both of my garment racks. It was so simple and easy to put together, and in no time I had these racks all ready for its next step. Next, I went ahead and hung a clothes hanging organizer which I've already got from IKEA to add more storage to my laundry room. So guys, I'm absolutely in love with these clothes hanging organizers. They are cost effective and are perfect to utilize as storage solutions for small spaces. Afterwards, I went ahead and used these undershelves baskets also from IKEA to add more storage to my laundry room. So guys, I went about using these undershelf storage baskets to store anything that I need easy access to. Here you see me using these baskets to store toilet paper that me and my family use frequently and need easy access to. Next, here you see me using my clothes hanging organizer to store all of my toilet paper and nappies that I buy in bulk. Afterwards, I went ahead and used these baskets with lids which I've already got in hand that I labeled to store all of my laundry knickknacks. Next, I use glass jars for most of my frequently refillable items. So as you can see, my dishwashing tablets are running low. So by using glass jars, I'm able to see what I need to add to my shopping list. So guys, if you want to have a well-organized laundry room, all you got to do is utilize loads of storage solutions that work well for your laundry room. Here I'm using storage solutions from IKEA, Kmart, Target. You could find any type of storage solutions from any store or use whatever you already got in hand. So guys, this is how I go about doing my laundry now. It's so functional. All I got to do is take the clothes out of the dryer, use those hangers, hang them onto the rack, repeat the process until I'm done with my laundry, and now my clothes are all ready to be hung in my wardrobe. So guys, if you're wondering how I go about folding my laundry, I use the table behind me to fold my laundry. So it's always a good idea to have a table in your laundry room to help with your folding. So guys, this is how my laundry room turned out. It's so functional and has loads of storage, and I'm in love with it. Hope you guys like it. Okay guys, that's it for today. Hope you got inspired and enjoyed watching this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that bell to support my channel and also to be notified every time I upload a video. Until I see you again, happy crafting!